Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is an issue of lives versus livelihoods. This article is completely related to COVID-19 migrant workers faces problems. 100 word per minute. So be ready. Start. Strict to moderate lockdowns are being imposed again, this time in April 2021, terminating jobs in many an establishment employing large numbers of informal workers. Of those employed in the informal category, large numbers include migrants who face, like they did in March April of 2020, a bleak future with job losses, loss of rented accommodations, a lack of sustainable income, and savings to ensure food transportation back to villages or any other emergency, including falling victim to COVID 19. Grim to Grimmer. Given their better experiences last year, migrants have already begun their journeys back to villages, paying exorbitant sums for their travel. Of course, no bright prospect awaits them there, given the state of rural distress which initially pushed them to seek a better future in the urban areas, nor do they expect new job opportunities, especially under shrinking National Rural Employment Guarantee Act allotments by the government. The continuing exodus unofficially records figures upward of 4 lakh Western Railway between April 1 and 12, while the Central Railway sent back 4.7 lakh migrants, all from Maharashtra. Over the last few weeks, such journeys will be recorded in history as those of destination offering no prospects of a better state. With multiple issues of serious sufferings, an account of COVID 19 related distress, the country has less time to discuss the fate of these unwanted migrants on their path of reverse migration, fleeing from centers of livelihoods toward dark holes of rural helplessness and poverty. To provide a narrative of who these people are, we may describe them as mobile by default, with growing rural distress and inadequate official policies of failing to support the ailing rural economy. Providing a mirror image of the previous tragedy in 2020, this unwanted trek back to where they came from provide them no future worth mentioning. The conditions faced by these workers under a curfew to lockdown status include the immediate termination of their livelihoods in terms of job, access to accommodation, and near insolvency. That the situations faced by migrants are not a matter of concern in policy making is quite apparent. There has been no attempt to have an official estimate of such flows, either incoming or reverse, nor has any thought going by official announcements been made visible to redress the miseries that await the returning migrants. The recent official announcement of free ration of 5 kg cereals to 80 crore families in is the only soap visible so far. Question for the state. Questions abound. It may not be too far-fetched to ask if this measure of using lockdown and curfews to save lives also stimulously take away the means of livelihoods for the rootless and roofless migrants. If so, what are the measures The state has offered even to redress to some degree of their sufferings. Would not have been more fair to provide for some short-term relief for their workers and their families not wanted any more in the urban areas. One can count the impact on urban centers. The flow provided a reserve army of cheap labor waiting to be hired at wages which often could dip lower than the statutory minimum, especially after meeting the demands of the mediating contractor who arranged for the migration from villages with the formal organized industry employing as many as one half or more of employees with casual or informal status. It proved rather opportune for enterprise in factories, construction sites, and other labor intensive activities to the use of these migrants in the cost cutting exercises. On the whole, the presence of the rural migrants benefited the urban economy by providing cheap labor to manufacturing units and cheap services to households. However, these jobs provided did not entitle forthcoming obligation on the part of the employers or the state, given that the footloose migrants never had any legal status as a working population. Full stop. ये आर्टिकल आपका काफ़ी अच्छा आर्टिकल है, इसको आप रीड कीजिए और इसको आप टाइप भी कीजिए। और डिक्टेशन आपको पसंद आती है डिक्टेशन को लाइक कीजिए, डिक्टेशन को शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।